In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Substack articles. Whether you are new to Substack or just looking for the quickest way to keep up, this guide will show you exactly where your articles appear and how to enjoy them without missing a thing. Substack is built around a simple idea: when you subscribe to a writer, their new posts come straight to you, and you can also browse everything in one clean place. First, know that subscribed content is delivered directly to your inbox. After you subscribe to a publication, new posts arrive as regular emails, often with the full article right inside. Open the message and start reading. If you prefer the web layout, tap the View Online link, usually included at the top or bottom of the email. If something you expected didn't show up, check your promotions, updates, or spam folders and mark the email as not junk so future posts land in your main inbox. This approach is perfect if you like reading alongside the rest of your email, and it works the same on desktop and mobile mail apps. If you'd rather read in a dedicated space, use Substack on the web or in the app. Log in on Substack.com or open the app and you'll see a curated feed of all your subscriptions collected in one scrolling view. This lets you catch up at your own pace, without juggling individual emails. Tap any headline to open the full post. Then swipe or use the back button to move through your feed. It's a focused way to read, especially when you want a distraction-free experience. When you want to dig into the back catalog, visit a writer's publication page and click Archive. The archive shows all past posts in one place, making it easy to catch up on earlier essays, newsletters, or series you might have missed. Skim the titles, open what interests you, and work backward as far as you like. For quick hits and behind-the-scenes thinking, check out Notes. In the Notes section, you can follow your favorite creators' short-form thoughts and updates, which feel more conversational than full articles. It's a great way to stay connected between major posts and discover timely ideas or links. That's all you need to comfortably read Substack articles. Your inbox for instant delivery, the web or app for a streamlined feed, and Notes for bite-sized updates. Thanks for watching.